Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use NetSuite for small business. So let's get started. NetSuite is a cloud-based business management system that helps small businesses manage accounting, sales, inventory, customers, and reporting all in one platform. It is especially useful for small businesses because it reduces the need for multiple separate software tools. To get started, log in to your NetSuite account and explore the main dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your business performance, including cash flow, sales activity, expenses, and important reminders. You can also customize it to show the information that matters most to your business. The first important step for small businesses is setting up financial management. This includes configuring your chart of accounts, which organizes your business finances into categories like income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Once this is set up correctly, you can easily track all financial transactions. Next, you can start adding your customers and vendors. In the Customers section, create customer profiles with contact details, billing addresses, and payment terms. In the Vendors section, add supplier information to manage purchases and payments more efficiently. For sales management, you can create quotes, sales orders, and invoices directly in NetSuite. When a customer makes a purchase, simply generate an invoice, add the items or services, and save it. NetSuite will automatically update your financial records. On the expense side, small businesses can record vendor bills, purchase expenses, and payments. This helps you keep track of where your money is going and ensures your financial records stay accurate. Inventory management is another useful feature for small businesses. You can track stock levels, set reorder points, and monitor product availability across different locations. This helps prevent running out of important products. NetSuite also provides powerful reporting tools. You can generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports to understand your business performance. These reports help you make better financial and strategic decisions. Another key advantage is automation. NetSuite can automate recurring invoices, approvals, reminders, and financial processes, saving time and reducing manual work. By consistently using these features, small businesses can manage operations more efficiently, improve financial control, and scale their business with confidence using NetSuite. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.